Let's be honest, the current Telluride is already one of the best-selling and highest-rated midsize SUVs on the market. So, why wait for the next one? Because Kia isn't just polishing the edges. They're preparing to unleash a reimagined Telluride that insiders claim will have features, tech, and performance upgrades typically reserved for luxury brands. And if the leaked reports, patent filings, and global design previews are even half accurate, the 2026 Telluride won't just raise the bar, it will obliterate it. Reason number 1. A new hybrid powertrain that doesn't suck. One of the biggest changes expected for the 2026 Telluride is a brand new hybrid powertrain that finally balances power and fuel economy without killing the fun. Current Tellurides rely on a naturally aspirated V6 that's solid but far from efficient. Meanwhile, competitors like the Toyota Highlander Hybrid are sipping gas but feel like they're towing bricks. Here's the twist. Kia is reportedly working on a turbocharged 2.5-liter hybrid system that combines electric torque with traditional horsepower. This setup is already in testing phases in Korea and is rumored to hit 275-plus horsepower with over 35 miles per gallon, which would be game-changing for a 3-row SUV. No more sacrificing performance for eco-points. You'll have power when you need it, and savings at the pump. Reason number 2. Real third-row luxury. Finally. The third row has always been the Telluride's Achilles heel. Spacious? Yes. Luxurious? Not quite, but that's about to change. According to leaked interior specs and supplier documents, the 2026 model will introduce individual climate controls, built-in seat massagers, and even ventilated seating for the third row. That's unheard of in this segment, especially for an SUV under $55,000. Kia's pushing hard into the luxury segment without changing the badge. Imagine picking up your kids or clients in a ride that feels like a $90,000 Audi Q7 but costs half as much. Reason number 3. Level 2 plus autonomous driving. This one's a game changer. Kia's parent company, Hyundai Motor Group, has invested heavily in autonomous tech, and it's about to pay off. The 2026 Telluride is rumored to feature Highway Driving Pilot, a Level 2 Plus system with semi-autonomous steering, lane changes, and even off-ramp navigation. You'll still need to pay attention, but this tech could let you take your hands off the wheel on long highway trips, reducing fatigue by half. For daily commuters and road trippers, it's a massive upgrade. Even more exciting? This system will be standard in at least 2 trims, meaning it's not just for the top-of-the-line buyers. Reason number 4. The return of rugged. Telluride X Pro 2.0. Back in 2023, Kia introduced the X Pro trim for off-road lovers, but for 2026, they're doubling down. The new X Pro 2.0 is expected to include air suspension, trail cameras, locking differentials, and a terrain mode selector that rivals what Jeep and Toyota offer. But here's the twist. It'll come wrapped in a more refined shell with sound-deadening glass and adaptive suspension. So you get rugged ability with luxury calmness. For anyone who wants to escape the city on weekends and roll silently back into work on Monday, it's perfect. Reason number 5. A bold design that actually dares to be different. The 2026 Telluride won't look like the box it came in anymore. Designers are reportedly ditching the square, utilitarian aesthetic and introducing a smoother, sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Think Range Rover mixed with electric SUV boldness. Features may include a connected light bar, a wider digital grille, and flush door handles, giving it a much more futuristic look. While rivals are still recycling designs from 2019, Kia is moving ahead and not looking back. If you want an SUV that actually turns heads instead of blending in with the rest of the Costco parking lot, this is it. Reason number 6. Over-the-air OTA updates plus AI-driven personalization. This is where the future truly begins. The 2026 Telluride is expected to feature full over-the-air software updates, meaning your car can literally improve while you sleep. New features, bug fixes, performance boosts, all delivered remotely. But even crazier is the introduction of AI-driven personalization. Based on your driving patterns, the Telluride will adjust cabin temperature, seat angles, ambient lighting, even playlist preferences. It's like having a digital co-pilot that actually learns what you like before you ask for it. This isn't just a car, it's a smart device on wheels. And no midsize SUV under $60,000 is even close to offering that yet. The 2026 Kia Telluride is shaping up to be a category killer, with a powerful hybrid system, third-row luxury, semi-autonomous driving, rugged refinement, head-turning design, and smart personalization that evolves with you. This isn't a facelift. It's a full-on transformation. So, if you're thinking of pulling the trigger on a 2025 SUV, you might want to pause.